Hi guys! I'm here in Bangkok, Thailand for our incentive trip for our performance last 2025. This time, I will interview yung mga qualifiers para ma-share nila what's one thing na ginawa nila to qualify for this trip.
Hi, I'm Donna from Davao. We serve individuals, families, and government agencies.
Wow, hindi talaga lahat kasi serve ng government, no?
Yes.
Pero ikaw, nandyan ka para tulungan sila. Thank you, Miss Donna.
So, Tita Ange, I'm from Camarines Norte, and I qualified on this trip by helping other people, the individual and families. So mostly, I help VAs kasi actually I'm also a VA and my heart also want to help them. Kasi alam ko naman, pag VA wala tayong mga benefits like HMO, health insurance. So I want to help my fellow VAs to have their health care. So yun lang. Thank you.
Nakakatuwa. Pag VA kayo, please contact Miss Ange.
Yes. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Argel of argeltiburcio.com, and the one quality for me na nagpa-help sa akin talaga mag-qualify is consistency. So, very cliche, consistency is key. Pero yun nga, if gawin mo lang siya ng tuloy-tuloy and walang magi-give up, eventually, ma-reach mo din yung targets.
Yeah, wala nang secret to success. Maging consistent lang.
Consistency is the key.
Thank you, Argel.
Hi, I'm JP Buencamino of Keystone Agency. So, one thing that qualifies me for this incentive trip is, aside from hard work, I enjoy the journey as being a financial advisor. So, enjoy lang natin. Be happy to serve our fellow Filipinos. So, walang pagod yun. So, masaya tayo. And of course, the incentive will follow. And of course, the income.
Yes,
Thank you.
kasi our duty is simple but not easy.
Correct.
But if you enjoy it,
Yes.
diba? Anything
So,
is
stress-free.
possible. Yeah.
Yan.
Thank you, Sir
Thank
JP.
you.
Hi, this is AJ Gavino, and yung nakapag-help sa akin para mag-qualify for this trip is, I think, mindset and goal setting. First time na narinig ko about our trip incentive last year. By the way, I was coded only in May 2025, so I have 7 months to work for it. First time ko siya narinig and I was so happy kasi may target tayong susundin para hindi tayo lito. And then, first few sales ko, na-realize ko na, ay, kaya pala na maraming sale. Na mabilis pala yung process and all, and nagbi-build up yung sale. So, sa first month ko, 1 lang yung na-close ko. Sa second month, 3. Pero sa third month and onwards, 7 and up na yung cases. So, yung third month talaga yung nakapag-realize sa akin na, ay, kaya pala siyang i-build up para ma-reach natin yung goal na 2 million for this trip incentive. And of course, syempre, sinerve natin yung client natin and sinabi natin lahat ng important details about our product and yung pros and cons. That's why I think may tiwala sila sa akin. Kaya marami ring nag-refer and nag-avail ng products na Medicard.
Wow, so simula ka talaga sa goal and the positive mindset.
Yes,
And
positive lang.
the heart to help our clients. Thank you, Aaron.
Hi everyone, Jemmer here from Medicard Philippines. So one thing that helped me to qualify for Bangkok trip is, I think, yung content creation. I've been doing content creation since 2017. Sabi ko, why not use it for Medicard as well? One single post can reach even hundreds or thousands of people and customers. So I'm happy na they get to see answers from their question even without looking for actually talking to an agent. So posting it online has been really helpful for me. Yung mga contents ko way back 2023 has been helping me in terms of looking for clients and also helping clients then to answer their usual questions. So ngayon, na-busy lang ako, but I'll be back to more content creations, more contents for my followers. So stay tuned.
Love it. Iba talaga ng tulog ng content creation, no? Pag may
Yes,
mga
yes.
FAQ sila, nahanap sa'yo. And in
Yes.
return, nagugustuhan nila kumuha ng product.
Correct.
Thank you, Gemma.
Thank you. Next year ulit.
Hi, I'm Kat. So, ang nakatulong sa akin really is yung having a supportive team. So, talagang it really helped me. So, ayun.
Iba talaga yung effect na may supportive team, no? Para kapag may mga questions ka, tapos...
Exactly. Pag sila yung nagbibigay din sa'yo ng ideas and also, kapag may concern ka rin, tutulungan ka nila na mag-follow up and the like. So, hindi ka lang nag-iisa. So, isa kayong group na makakatulong din talaga sa mga clients natin. Yun, very helpful.
Positive and supportive community.
Of course.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Hi, this is Aurea, one of the qualifier of Bangkok Travel. One of the things na nakatulong sa akin para mag-qualify is consistency. Doing it every day kahit hindi mo feel, kahit wala ka sa mood, pero naging way of life mo na siya. Consistency, that's it.
Ganda. Kasi para siyang commitment, no? Doing
Commitment.
whatever it takes.
Yes, kahit hindi mo siya feel
Kahit hindi
gawin,
mo feel.
at saka naging purpose mo na siya na makatulong sa mga client.
Oo nga, no amount of money, Miss Au, no? Ang makakapalit.
Makakapalit,
Dun
yes.
sa purpose mo
Sa purpose na makatulong tayo sa mga client na ma-secure nila ang kanilang health insurance for their family at saka para sa kanilang mga sarili. That's all.
For sure, super blessed sila na ikaw ang account officer.
Yes, thank you.
Thank you, Miss Au.
Okay.
Hi, I'm Account Officer Raquel. Alright, one thing na nakatulong sa akin na mag-qualify sa Thailand Travel Incentive ni Medicard is consistency. Consistency on focusing sa goal ko. Consistency to achieve yung gusto kong mahit na sales target month on month. And consistency to deliver quality service sa client ko that helps me get multiple referrals. Plus, consistency on trusting that it's always God na nagbibigay sa akin ng sale. So, minsan, sasabihin ko, ay, sana makukumuha ito sa akin, si ganitong client, sana balikan niya ako. But all in all, at the end of the day, nagtitiwala ako, it's God who always give me sale. That's
Love
it.
it. Ang dami na namimili ng consistency. Nagustuhan ko rin sa iyo, Miss Raquel, yung consistency in serving your clients. Hindi yun dahil nagbenta ka lang, kundi mag-serve rin sa kanila. Thank you, Miss Raquel.
Thank you.
Hello, I'm Rika from Cortisano Agency. Isa sa nakatulong para maging qualify ako dito sa trip na to, yung mga ads ko sa social media, pati na yung mga service na binibigay mo sa client mo. Kasi once na nakita nila yung service mo, i-refer ka nila sa mga friends nila or sa mga kilala nila. Kumbaga yung name mo talagang mariremember na nila once na may naghanap ng HMO sa kanila. So yun, referrals, madami din ako. At yun nga, yung social media din. Basta magsipag ka lang. At saka maging bang sa loob mo na gusto mo tumulong, hindi ka lang after nung kumita ka. Pagka ganun kasi yung mindset mo, magkakaroon ka ng maraming clients, hindi lang yun paging kaibigan mo na. At saka kung halimbawa, meron ka pang ibang products na gusto send sa kanila, nandun na yung trust. Yun.
Nagustuhan ko sa iyo yung sa referrals, no?
Yes,
Because
po.
referrals are fee for service rendered.
Yes po.
Dahil nag-serve ka ng nag-serve, hindi mo alam kung i-bless ka.
Yes.
In-endorse ka nila sa kanilang kakilala.
Correct.
Thank
Yeah.
you, Miss Rika.
Thank you, I'm Christine.
Hi, I'm Heidi. Para sa akin, laging sinasabi ng aming agency manager sa aming team is sipag, tiyaga at awa ng Diyos. Yun lang.
Yan, nothing beats talaga yung
Yes.
nagtatrabaho ka pero may faith pa rin.
Yes.
True. Thank you, Miss Heidi.
Thank you.
Hi, I'm Let, Account Officer Let from AIA Medicard. So, ang number one nakatulong sa akin sa maging qualifier for Bangkok is, of course, consistency. Kasi maraming struggle, personal life, kasi syempre hindi naman pwedeng ihiwalay yun. Pero kahit na nagkaroon ng problema, good thing na hindi naman pinabayaan ni Lord. Syempre kahit na may skills tayo, we will always pa rin rely sa kung ano yung magagawa na matulong sa atin. Kumbaga yung skills natin, patuloy lang lagi na i-hone din through trainings, tapos syempre yung mga advice na maririnig natin from mga batikan na ng mga account officers. So, yun lang.
Iba talaga yung effect ng consistency, no? Kahit na mahirap, basta balik ka lang on track.
Yes, oo. Yun talaga lagi. Back to basics lagi. Yun.
Yan. Thank you so much, Miss Let.
Okay, thank you.
If you're looking for an HMO or health card as individual, family, or corporate, or if you want to do what we're doing, you may comment down below or you can send us a message.